Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there are earbuds inside of TECLAST T60 box. There is my TECLAST T60 box and let's open it to see if there are earbuds inside. First I'm gonna lift the top lid and then the first thing we see is obviously the tablet, and under it we have this little window, user manual, warranty card, a charging brick, charging cable that's compatible with the brick, and SIM card tray opener. And that's all inside of the box, so there are no earbuds inside. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.